We bought a van!
Hi, we're Destiny and Elizabeth, and at the beginning of this year, we started traveling the US by SUV camping in the back of our Hyundai Kona. We absolutely fell in love with this freeing lifestyle and decided to make it a permanent lifestyle for us. We just bought a van, and we have been searching for months and months and finally found our perfect van. Follow us along as we learn to build out into our own tiny home. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell for a weekly video of our van building and eventually our van life.
So, first things first, we gotta get to cleaning.
Know when your body feels so tired to get out of bed, you put your heart on a letter.
Getting sticky.
Sticky floors.
Hey, what's gonna give you more time forever? Know what they say, only time will tell. You know what they say, it never really can. Hey, when I'm
Hello guys, so we just bought some Goo Gone because as you saw, we ripped out all of the flooring, but there's adhesive. We tried to do it without it, but we needed to get some of this. Got this at Target. 2 bottles, which I'm glad we got 2 bottles because we're already halfway down through one. We're gonna spray this off, let it sit while we go into Home Depot, and then wipe it on off. So here we go. Hello guys, happy van day. So we have been working pretty hard, slaving away. We have one of our good friends and our kids helping us, and they're a lot of help, but we had to go to the store really fast because we needed more Goo Gone. Yes, because what we're slaving away at is all behind here. Let's see the accomplishment. This side is kind of done. No. That side, not really. But we got some good stuff. We got some more Goo Gone that we needed to pick up the adhesive. So someone lived, or I think they lived in here, pretty sure. It's a 2019, but there was one owner. There was already a wood slat on the floor, as you saw already. But we just pulled that up, and now we're just using the adhesive, or the Goo Gone to get the adhesive off. It's not easy. No, it's like literally elbow grease. So what I say? And what is this other thing you bought, babe? I don't know. Just look. This one's called Goo Off Pro Strength Remover Adhesive Glue. This one kind of scares me though. Like, why? Because it says asphalt and tar though to remove it from that. We'll see. I don't know. We'll try it on a small spot first. But we bought this one, this little guy here, and then the other few things we got was the new gloves because our other ones are already ruined. We're gonna try and I'm gonna try to clean them. Yeah, we're gonna try and clean those. But these ones are reusable, washable. We got them at I was at Target, Walmart for $2, and we bought our friend a pair too. So we bought 3 of those, and then we bought some baby wipes because we get hot and sweaty. And then we had to get more towels to use with the Goo Gone, so we got a pack for like $6. Yeah, thanks for remembering everything. And then at the end of it all, we bought some Lysol so that we can clean up the mess on the floor. Yeah, so that's what we do. So we're almost back to her house, so we can finish this up. We want to try and finish in like an hour. Yes, or so. Yep, it is a goal. So
tomorrow we get our installation.
Woo! So it's green. So we will see you at our house. so this is the progress we've made, and this is what it looked like before. Actually, yeah, that's very true. It looked a lot worse. But this is really good progress. But look at this.
Thanks to me.
What? This is teamwork. This adhesive is stuck, and we've been using this wonderful tool as well as the glue gun. Yeah.
Know when your body feels so tired to get out of bed, you put your heart on a letter.
Hi guys. Welcome to our home.
With the broom.
We're gonna need a broom. Alright, today, tell them what we're doing, babe.
Nothing fun. We are gonna sand the van, all the little scuffs, and then prime it.
Wait. Before we get there, it's filthy all over again.
Oh yeah.
So, it was still filthy because we didn't fully finish.
We were tired after
Yeah.
taking the adhesive off too. So, we will be sweeping.
And mopping.
Mopping.
Some simple greens.
Okay, cool.
Brought the bucket, but I didn't bring them all. I just thought about that. I'm like, and mopping, and I'm like, wait a minute.
So Liz has to go get the mop. But
No,
we'll be
I did all these
mopping.
things. I'll mop with these.
You now have to wipe the walls too, and up there.
All right, so we're gonna sweep, mop, clean, sand. You're gonna come along with us. These are things that are necessary for all of the scuffs and nicks and scratches. All of the scuffs along the van inside so that they do not rust, and you just need to take care of base of your home before you build your home. All right, enough chit chat. We're gonna go ahead and get started and get cleaning.
I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me, there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer.
All right, and what we are gonna use this for is to mop our whole floor after I swept. Kind of already, kind of wiped it down with my hands, but I'm gonna go ahead and mop it as well, and then we're gonna use the same water to clean the floor, the ceiling, and the walls. So let's get to it.
You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Still holding tight through every fright. 'Cause sometimes I can see through the echo of every day.
Hey babe, what you doing? On what exactly? Let's see, what are they?
Oh my god, it's making me sweat.
So
You wanna try?
the van comes with these metal things. Not all of them, but most of them. And we need to remove them with this handy dandy tool.
And I'm weak.
Or drill. I mean, you could have got it with the drill, but we...
Yeah, I couldn't find the bit.
I know. It's okay.
We might have to go back.
Really? Too hard?
Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna break it.
Okay, let's...
I give up on this one.
Let me try
Let's
one.
try another one. Let me try another one.
Okay, there we go. Woo! Baby! Gross! We have our wonderful friend helping us because they don't come out on their own. He's the secret tool. These two? Okay.
I'm holding on, if I was gone. Some you know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait.
Thanks, Cream. We appreciate you.
There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me.
Join us for our next video as we shop through Home Depot and start to prime the van.